Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy has become increasingly popular as people seek natural solutions for hormonal imbalances. However, despite its growing acceptance, several misconceptions persist about its safety and efficacy. Here are 5 of the most common myths surrounding BHRT. 1. Bioidentical hormones are completely natural. Many people believe that bioidentical hormones are entirely natural and free from side effects because they are derived from plant sources. While it is true that these hormones are chemically identical to those produced by the human body, they are still synthesized in a lab. This means that they can interact with the body in complex ways, and side effects are possible, just as with synthetic hormones. 2. BHRT is safe for everyone. Another widespread misconception is that BHRT is safe for all individuals, regardless of their medical history. While BHRT may benefit many people, it is not suitable for everyone. Individuals with certain health conditions, like hormone-sensitive cancers or specific cardiovascular issues, may be advised against using hormone therapy. A thorough consultation with a healthcare provider is essential to determine whether BHRT is a safe option for you. 3. Bioidentical hormones prevent aging. Many proponents of BHRT claim it can effectively reverse aging. However, while hormone levels may influence how we age, it is misleading to suggest that BHRT can stop aging altogether. Aging is a complex process influenced by genetics, lifestyle, and environmental factors. BHRT can help alleviate certain age-related symptoms, such as fatigue and mood swings, but it is not a cure-all. 4. BHRT causes weight gain. One prevalent myth is that bioidentical hormone replacement leads to significant weight gain. In reality, hormonal changes can affect weight, but the relationship is not straightforward. For some, BHRT can help with weight management by alleviating hormonal imbalances that contribute to weight gain, while for others, it may not have any noticeable effect on weight at all. Weight changes often depend on individual factors, including diet, exercise, and metabolism. 5. All BHRT is the same. Not all bioidentical hormone replacement therapies are created equal. There are significant differences in how these therapies are formulated and administered. Some treatments are customized to individual needs by compounding pharmacies, while others are commercially manufactured and standardized. It is crucial to understand the type of BHRT being prescribed and to work with a healthcare provider who can offer guidance tailored to your specific health requirements. Understanding the facts about bioidentical hormone replacement therapy is essential for making informed health decisions. With so much misinformation available, it's vital to consult trusted sources. At primebody.com, you can access bioidentical hormone treatments safely and conveniently. Our expert team is dedicated to providing personalized care, ensuring that you receive the right treatment tailored to your unique health needs. Embrace a healthier, balanced life with Prime Body support on your journey to hormonal wellness.